Hello and welcome to Wally's Tech World. Today we will be reviewing the JBL Vibe Beam wireless earbuds. If you're interested in ordering these earbuds, I put a link in the description. Prices listed fluctuate daily and may vary from the price listed in the description. So let's get started. I've been testing out the JBL Vibe Beam earbuds for a while now, and I'm really impressed with what they offer for wireless earbud users. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that combine solid sound quality with a comfortable design, these could be a great choice. First off, I found the audio quality is truly impressive, with deep bass and clear highs, thanks to JBL's Signature Sound technology. Whether listening to music, taking calls, or watching videos, the sound was crisp and immersive. The earbuds also come with customizable EQ settings via the JBL app, allowing you to fine-tune your listening experience according to your preferences. The design of the Vibe Beam earbuds is another standout feature. They're lightweight and ergonomically shaped, ensuring a snug fit that stays comfortable even during long listening sessions. Plus, they're equipped with touch controls, making it easy for me to play, pause, skip tracks, or take calls without needing to reach for my phone. For those who are always on the go, the IPX4 rating provides resistance against sweat and light splashes. This should make them a reliable choice for workouts or commutes in varying weather conditions. Battery life is always a concern for me with wireless earbuds, and the JBL Vibe Beam doesn't disappoint. You get up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge, and the charging case provides an additional 24 hours, meaning you're set for a full day of listening without worrying about recharging. Additionally, a quick 10-minute charge gives you up to 2 hours of playtime, which is perfect for when you're in a hurry. I didn't experience any issues with running out of battery power while using the earbuds. Need a quick boost? Speed charge for just 10 minutes to get an extra 2 hours of playtime. I found this feature very useful on several occasions. The JBL Vibe Beam has some impressive features like JBL Signature Sound, delivers powerful bass and clear treble for an immersive listening experience. Customizable EQ, fine-tune your audio settings through the JBL app to match your personal preferences. Comfortable and secure fit, lightweight, ergonomic design ensures a secure and comfortable fit for long listening sessions. IPX4 water resistance, provides protection against sweat and splashes, making them ideal for workouts and outdoor use. Long battery life, up to 8 hours of playback on a single charge, plus an additional 24 hours with the charging case. Touch controls, intuitive touch controls for easy management of music and calls. All in all, these are some very feature-rich earbuds. The pros are, 1. Excellent sound quality. The JBL Signature Sound ensures deep bass and clear highs, providing an enjoyable listening experience across different genres. 2. Long battery life. With up to 32 hours of total playback time, these earbuds are great for extended use without frequent charging. 3. Comfortable fit. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable and secure fit, perfect for long listening sessions and workouts. The cons are, 1. Limited noise isolation. While the sound quality is good, the passive noise isolation may not be sufficient for very noisy environments. 2. Touch controls sensitivity. The touch controls can sometimes be overly sensitive, leading to accidental pauses or skips. 3. No active noise cancellation. Overall, the JBL Vibe Beam earbuds appear to be an excellent choice for anyone looking for high-quality wireless earbuds with a comfortable fit and great battery life. They're especially well suited for those who want solid sound performance without breaking the bank. If you're in the market for reliable, everyday earbuds that offer good value, I think these are definitely worth considering.